Hi everyone, it's Annie and I'm back with another video about student life at FAU. This time we're gonna take a look at some restaurants in Erlangen and Nuremberg area that present cuisines from different countries. I have chosen the restaurants randomly based on my own experience and the recommendations of my friends. The first place I went to is a nice sushi place in Erlangen. So today we are having sushi. My friend right here recommended the place. I hope it tastes good. Let's see. Alright. Should I? So if you love sushi as much as I do, just know you've got this option. There are several Indian restaurants in Erlangen, but the one I chose is an Indian fast food place called Curry House. Today's plan is to go to an Indian restaurant. I've been to this one before and they actually have some vegan dishes too. I'll show you around and try a vegan dish today. I'm very excited. So let's go. I just ordered the food. I'm having something called sabji curry, which is apparently a mix of some veggies in a curry sauce. The thing I like about this place is that it's not so pricey, there's nothing fancy, and students normally can afford it. Okay, so it's time to eat. Good appetit! This is great. The next one on my list is an Italian restaurant, which according to my roommate makes the best pizza in the area. So today we are at this pizzeria in Fürth, which is called Una Pizza Napolitana. I'm really hungry right now, so let's try. Yeah, this is nice. A good recommendation. So today we're going to a Franconian restaurant. I know it's not international, but typical Franconian food is different from what you can have in other parts of Germany. So both internationals and Germans should check it out. If you live in Germany, you most likely have been in a beer garden. Here, along with beer, you get to try different specialties. Today I had famous Franconian bratwurst. It is usually served with potato salad or sauerkraut and mustard sauce. There is not much to say about this kind of food. It is simple and super delicious. Plus, the atmosphere in beer gardens is always warm and friendly. Alright, so today I'm going to try some street food and I'm going to this popular Thai place in the city center. It's right there, very close. I've been there a couple of times before and I really like the food there. So let's see. I ordered the number M2, which is fried noodles with chicken, egg and vegetables. This is very tasty. The veggies are quite fresh. I hope the meat is fresh too. It's a bit, I would say, too salty for me, but I like the flavor. It's delicious. And for the dessert, I came to Nuremberg. This is one of my favorite places here. They make the best, most delicious and delicate French desserts. Now, as a student, I know that we cannot afford eating out very often, but there is a solution for that too. In Erlangen, as well as in Nuremberg, you can easily find shops that sell products from different countries. This one, for example, is famous for its vegetables. The owner assures that people come here to buy fresh vegetables from different parts of Asia. Here you'll find products from the Middle East. This shop sells products from East and South Asia. I'm certainly not the best food critic. Yeah, this is nice.
This is good.
This is great. But that's not the point. The idea is to give an overview of the beautiful, diverse environment that has been created over the years in this area. I would also like to thank my friends who recommended and joined me everywhere while I was making this video. So this was all for this video. I hope you got some idea of what the options are for international cuisine in Erlangen. And if you already have favorite places, feel free to share their names in the comment down below. And I will see you in the next videos. Bye!